we're ABF, and this is how we do it. Whether your content is a TV campaign or video production, it all starts with your brief and your goals. We'll digest everything you've told us, add our own research, and then develop results-driven creative for your campaign. All our ideas are tested against our proven philosophy that we call Responsology. Its aim is to ensure that everything we create should provoke the audience, relate to their lives, and encourage a positive reaction. We're then ready to present our ideas, along with budgets and timescales, push go on one of our concepts, and we'll head into production. From scripting to locations, crewing, casting, and production design, we take care of everything in-house, including all legal compliance for broadcast campaigns. Then it's the exciting bit, the shoot. Lights, camera, action, graphics, and animation. Then post-production, where we work our magic to edit, grade, and polish your production to perfection. Following legal clearance, we'll distribute your content to broadcast stations or deliver video files made specifically for your web platform of choice. It's all done at ABF. That's how we do it.